What's going on, guys? Zach here. It's a bit of a cold day today, but I think I'm gonna go for a little bit of a ride, go drink some tea with some nice views somewhere. I think it probably Manhattan Beach over by Kingsborough. I gotta stop by my mother's house real quick and drop something off, and then I'm gonna head over there. I packed some gloves and a hat, which I'm starting to think was a smart idea. It's very cold out today. I would imagine it's only gonna get colder once we get closer to the water, but we'll see. One thing I didn't pack, which I kind of regret, is a scarf. I feel like I need something to cut this wind a little bit. All right, I'm gonna throw some headphones in and enjoy the rest of this ride. All right, so I just finished with that pit stop. Dropped some things off, tightened my bike seat. And now I'm on my way to Emmons Avenue. It's starting to get pretty cold, to be honest. Once we get closer to the water, I'm sure it's gonna get even colder. But I do have gloves and a hat, just in case. Alright, so we made it to the end of Manhattan Beach. Honestly, the wind's not too bad. Double layers I put on are holding up. So not really too cold out, especially while I'm biking. I don't really feel it too much. I'm gonna go right over by the water and make some tea. Alright, just arrived over here, I'm gonna make some tea. Really is nice over here. There's nobody around. Got one person playing basketball back there, but other than that, there's nobody out here. You can kind of see the difference in weather. You got kind of good weather on this side, cloudy weather on this side. Right above me, I've got the cloudy weather, but it's still nice out here. Me a sandwich also. This is a turkey, pastrami, and cheese on a Greek yogurt bagel, courtesy of my wife. I feel like as soon as I opened this, the seagulls started swarming me. Look at this guy. I'm not giving you any.
I think he just realized that that was the last bite.
Alright, I could probably get maybe 5 or 6 more steeps out of this, but I think I'm just gonna pack it up and finish it when I get home. I'm just gonna leave the wet leaves right in there. They're not soaking wet, just a little damp. The hat's kind of annoying me a little bit. I'm just gonna take it off and wear the hood. I'm gonna start heading back now. Alright, I'm almost home now. I hope you enjoyed the ride and the tea as much as I did. See you guys in the next one.